Pi Educational Services.
Hi learners, welcome to another episode of our learning. I am Mr. Salam, your mathematics tutor. In our last video, we talked about multiplication of number bases. So today we'll be looking at the opposite of multiplication, which is the division of number bases. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to divide numbers from any base by another number. So let's take a look at it together. So we have division of number bases. So division of number bases. So we have two methods in dividing numbers. The first method is long division, and the second method is conversion method. So since our objective is to divide numbers, so we're going to use the conversion method. So let's take a look at one or two examples. Example 1. The question here says, divide 2 base 3 by 2. Solution. So the first thing we need to do here is to change 2 to base 10. We have the solution. So 2 to base 10. So let's label 0 and 1. So we have 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 1 plus 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 0. So that will give us 2 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 6, 3 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So 2 times 3 will give us 6 plus 2. And that will give you 8 base 10. So then let's divide 8 by 2. So that will give us 4 base 10. The next step is change this form back to base 3. So we divide 4 by 3. 4 divided by 3 will give you 1. We have a remainder of 1. Again, 1 divided by 3 is 0. We have a remainder of 1. So finally, the answer, which is 2 base 3 divided by 2, will give you 1 base 3. So that's the answer. Now let's take a look at another example, example 2. In this example, we have example 2. The question says, divide 1324 base 8 by 2020 base 3. As you can see, the two numbers are in different bases. So first, solution. Let's convert 1324 base 8 to base 10 first. So we have 0, 1, 2, and 3. So the first one is 1 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 3 plus 3 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 2 plus the 2 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 1 plus 4 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 0. So this will give you 1 multiplied by, since 8 raised to the power of 3 will give you 512 plus 3 multiplied by 8 squared is 64 plus 2 multiplied by 8 then plus 4 multiplied by 1. So 1 times 512 will give you 512 plus 3 multiplied by 64 will give us 192 plus 2 multiplied by 8 will give you 16 plus 4 multiplied by 1 will give you 4. So when you add all these numbers on your calculator, that will give you 224 base 10. Now let's convert 2020 base 3. So let me put 1 here. So that becomes 20201 base 3. So let's convert that as well. So we have 2, 0, 2, 0, 1, base 3. So we label 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. First, we have 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 4 plus 0 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 0 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 0. So we have 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 4 will give us 81 plus 0 multiplied by 27 plus 2 multiplied by 9 plus 0 multiplied by 3 plus 1 multiplied by 1. So 2 multiplied by 81 will give us 162 plus 0 plus 2 times 9, that will give us 18 plus 0 times 3 will be 0, then plus 1. When everything is added, we have 181 is 10. So therefore, this number 1324 is 8 divided by 20201 is 3, the same thing as 724 is 10 divided by 181 is 10. So when you put this on your calculator, you have 4 is 10. Now, since we have been told, so let's change this, let's leave our answer in base 2. So leave your answer in base 2. So to leave your answer in base 2, you divide this 4 by 2. So 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. We have a remainder of 0. 2 divided by 2 will give you 1. We have a remainder of 0. And 1 divided by 2 will give us 0. We have a remainder of 1. Of course, you reach the number from the bottom to the top. So your answer will be 100 base 2. So it's as simple as that. Thank you very much for your time, and stay tuned for our next video. Bye.